As welding requirements grow more complex, control and stability become critical. This system is engineered to manage extended travel lengths while maintaining precise alignment across the entire work envelope. Each axis is designed to move with accuracy and rigidity, allowing the machine to support larger assemblies without compromising weld integrity. Smooth mechanical drives ensure controlled motion, even during long continuous welding cycles. The torch orientation is dynamically adjusted to maintain the correct approach angle, improving fusion quality across varying joint geometries. Carefully regulated travel speeds help maintain thermal balance, reducing distortion in stainless steel components. By synchronizing multiple axes simultaneously, the system achieves seamless motion coordination along complex weld paths. This level of automation supports consistent results across repeated production runs, a reliable solution built to meet industrial fabrication demands, where precision, repeatability, and process stability matter most.